Hey guys, this is going to be another quick Linux command video. Check the link in the description for more info and for copy and paste examples. The Linux command uniq will filter duplicate adjacent lines. So it will filter out duplicates, but only if they're adjacent, basically. So let's try this out with a file here. So first let's look at what we have inside file1.txt. See, we have a few duplicates in here. Now we have the string ABC twice here, 1, 2, 3 twice here, and ABC again here. Now let's try running uniq on it. Uniq, and there we go. It filters out the duplicates. So instead of 2 ABCs, we only have 1 here. Instead of 2 1, 2, 3s, we only have 1 here. And then we still have yet another ABC at the bottom here. So we have duplicates here. So it only filtered out the duplicates that were adjacent. So one common way to get around that is to sort them. So you can run the sort command, sort the items in that file, and then pipe them to uniq, and that will filter out all the duplicates file-wide. So first make them all adjacent, and then filter them. That way you only get one of each type of line. So that's a great way to come up with like a unique list of items. If you have like a file that contains a list of items, you're going to remove all duplicates, first sort them, pipe it to uniq. Now you don't need any parameters to get this default behavior of the uniq command. Now there's just the key thing to remember is sort them first, and that's going to help you in most cases. Now, worth being aware, you can there's another option called a -u. This will only print unique lines, so anything duplicated won't be printed at all. So that's probably not what you need. So if you forgot to sort and you're still seeing duplicates, right? If you go like this and you still see some, if you say uniq and you still see some duplicates, the fix to this is not to use the -u. It's to sort them first and run them to uniq. To get unique items, you don't need any parameters to uniq. But there is a -u option, and that's going to remove anything that's a duplicate. So if you say u, it's going to remove any duplicates. So still only adjacent duplicates, but that A and B that were right next to each other were removed, and the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, those were completely removed altogether because there were only adjacent duplicates. But it still keeps that one ABC there. So this is, in most cases, not what you need. There might be some niche cases where it's helpful. Now you can use a -i to ignore case. So you could do I to ignore case. That's not something we need in this example. But if you want to ignore case, you could do that. Well, let's actually show you that. So let's say if we had ABC like that, right? Now you run sort and uniq, it is still going to show the uppercase. So you can say -i to ignore, so that might be useful in some cases. So the other thing you can do is D will show duplicate lines but show all of them. So if you say -D, it's only going to show the lines that are duplicates, but it will show all of them, right? So it shows all, so anything that's a unique line won't be shown. Now you can say lowercase d to only show duplicate lines, and so it shows these ones have duplicates, but it doesn't show each instance of the duplicate. A capital D will show each instance, and you can do a -c to just show how many duplicates for each line. So we see this many, right? And what else? So yeah, that's about all the parameters that you would actually probably care to use for this command. So that's about it for the uniq command. Hopefully this helps. Remember, check the links in the description for more info. Hit the subscribe button for more useful content like this. We also have a ton of other more interesting content covering things like coding, hardware, software, servers, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, and a whole lot more. Hopefully you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.